Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Discussing test results. Conversation between doctor and patient. I'll play the role of doctor and you'll play the role of patient. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Good afternoon. Thanks for coming in today. How are you feeling?
Hi, doctor. I'm a bit anxious, to be honest. I've been waiting to hear about my test results.
I understand. Let's go over them together. We ran a comprehensive panel and I have the results here.
Okay, I'm ready.
Overall, your results are mostly within the normal range. However, there are a few areas we need to address. Your cholesterol levels are slightly elevated and your blood pressure is higher than we'd like to see.
I see. What does that mean for my health?
I understand. We may need to adjust your medication or explore alternative treatment options. In the meantime, I'd like to run some additional tests to gather more information about your condition.
What should I do to improve my numbers?
First, we can make some lifestyle changes, incorporating a healthier diet, regular exercise, and reducing stress can make a significant difference. I'd also like to discuss your current medications and see if any adjustments are needed.
That makes sense. What kind of diet changes are we talking about?
Let's practice your English. Now, good afternoon. Thanks for coming in today. How are you feeling? I understand. Let's go over them together. We ran a comprehensive panel and I have the results here. Overall, your results are mostly within the normal range. However, there are a few areas we need to address. Your cholesterol levels are slightly elevated and your blood pressure is higher than we'd like to see.
Elevated cholesterol and high blood pressure can increase your risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. But the good news is that there are effective ways to manage these conditions.
First, we can make some lifestyle changes, incorporating a healthier diet, regular exercise, and reducing stress can make a significant difference. I'd also like to discuss your current medications and see if any adjustments are needed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.